Hello guys, so let's get started solving the third challenge of the Advent of Code year 2022. Well, the challenge is Rucksack Reorganization. One elf has the important job of loading all of the rucksacks with supplies for the jungle journey. Fortunately, the elf didn't quite follow the packing instructions and so a few items now need to be rearranged. Each rucksack has two large compartments. All items of a given type are meant to go into exactly one of the two compartments. The elf that did the packing failed to follow this rule for exactly one type per rucksack. Rucksack has two large compartments. All items of a given type are meant to go into exactly one of the two compartments. The elf that did packing failed to follow the rule for one item type per rucksack. Hmm. The elves have made a list of all of the items currently in each rucksack, your puzzle input, but they need your help finding the errors. Every item is in types identified by a single lowercase or uppercase letter, that is A refers to different types of items. The list of items for each rucksack is given as characters all on a single line. A given rucksack always has the same number of items in each of its two compartments. So the first half of the characters represents items in the first compartment, while the second half of the characters represent the items in the second compartment. For example, suppose you have the following list of contents from 6 rucksacks. Okay. The first rucksack contains the items, which means its first compartment contains the items, while the second compartment contains the items. Okay. The only item that appears in both compartments is lowercase b. Okay. The second compartment contains and both compartments. Okay. Okay, got it. To help prioritize item rearrangement, every item type can be converted to a priority. Lowercase items type A through Z have priorities 1 through 26. To help prioritize item rearrangement, can be converted to a priority. Uppercase items types A through Z have priorities 27 to 52. For example, the priority of the item type that appears in both compartments of which rucksack is 16, 28, 2. This is okay. Let's get the input, paste it right here. Okay, so now we have the input. Let's first get the function to read the input and split it into lines. So the first thing you have to do is to split it into two halves. Split each line into two halves. Yeah, remove the for sure. That's true. We did it in the previous challenge too. Okay. What can we do? We can create a new array. Yeah. So let's get the help of the copilot. No. Okay. So exactly yeah. So now we have it. Now we have our list of lists. So you can compare the two and find which element is present in both of our elements in the list. Mm, how can we get the string, the character that is presented in both elements? No, it's not what we want. If separated input E1 includes short tree. Yes. Now let what we can call it. No. Right there. Exactly. No. No, it's not necessary. Separated input, okay. No, we don't need to do all that. Oh, it's in it like that. Yeah, exactly. Okay, now we have all the repeated chars. Let's just check if is everything right. Yeah, everything is right. So we need to get the value of hi. Figure this is related with binary values. So or ask true value of the is it right? 6.5. Is this what we want? Oh, I forgot to change the scene. Oh, but that's what we did. Well, I will not change it now. Well. So let's see. P 52. Well, call has 65. Let's see the letter A has 97. Share code at 0. That's something wrong. No. Letter B. Let me see. Letter B is 98. And letter Z 122. So we A in code, so we have 1 through 26. It's actually 1, and here the letter A had 97. Is it right? Let's see. 97, and it has to be 1, so minus 96. So it's not minus 26, it is 6.5. Is it right? No, it has to be 52. No, 27, 27, 27. So 65 minus 20 minus 27, it is 65 minus 27, 3, 33, 38. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, that's right. Okay. If insurance equals case, that's a very upper case. Yeah, not just console.log, but let's create let points number equal 0 points exactly, and console.log 10,773. Let me see if it is right. That's not the right answer. This is too high. Stuck making the server the full input data. There are also some general tips on the about page organization storage. But wait, 1 minute before 20, you guessed. Oh, why? Why is it wrong? One, two, 26. Let me see something. Why is it wrong? 67, 38. Z, oh, Z, and Z. 26 and 52. Is it right? 26 and 52. Yes, it is right. It is right. Why are sums true? High. What we did wrong? What we did wrong? For 309. Ah, well, 309 more items. That's not right. We have only 300 inputs. We have only 300 inputs. Why we have 309 points? Oh, we have repeated inputs. That's it. We have repeated. Oh, but that's something wrong with that. Oh, it's just ounce. Okay. No, it's not stop the loop. It is how can you stop this loop? Stop the drill loop. Oh yeah, yeah, like that. So let's do it again. Oh, now 20 more items, and we have 300. Is it right? Yeah, probably. Now it's right. Let me see. Input the answer. Submit. Yeah, now it's right. Continue to part 2. So this is the part 2. As you finish identifying misplaced items, the elves come to you with another issue. For save, the elves turn into groups of 3. Every elf carries a badge that identifies the group. For efficiency, within each group of 3 elves, the badge is the only item type occurred by all 3 elves. That is, if a group's badge is item type B, then all 3 elves will have item type B somewhere in their rucksack. And at most 2 of the elves will be carrying another item type. The problem is that someone forgot to put the 0 separate advantage sticker on the badge to be pulled out of the rucksack so that it's can be attached. Additionally, nobody wrote down which item type corresponds to which group's badges. The only way to tell which item type is the right one is by finding the one item type that is common between all the others in each group. Every set of 3 lines in your list corresponds to a single group, but each group can have a different badge item type. So in the above example, the first group rucksacks are the first 3 lines. Okay. And the second group rucksacks are the next 3 lines. In the first group, the only item type is in all 3 rucksacks is lowercase r. This must be their badge. In the second group, the badge written must be Z. Priorities for this item must still be found to organize the sticker attachment efforts. Priorities? 18 R for the first group and 52 Z for the second group. The sum of this is 70. Find the item that corresponds to the badges of each 3 elf group. What is the sum of the priorities for those item types? Okay, so we have now, okay, we have our input. So separate input. Now we want to use that. We won't use that. We will use the input. Well, now we have to separate it into 3 groups. Okay, if no 0 1 2 0 1 2. Oh, oh, I equals 1 minus or equal. Now it's right. If I, yes, yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. It's a list of lists. What is it? It will be a list of lists. Yeah, that's it. Equals. But it is That's new input. I minus 3, I minus 2, I minus 1. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Well, now we have to see. New repeated chars. Separated inputs now. It's new input. Yeah. Okay. That's it. New repeated chars. Point push. Dot push. New input. 0. Char J. J go new input. Exactly. No, you don't have to console log new input. And we do the same here. Repeated chars, new repeated chars. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I forgot to change the screen. Sorry. So we did it. Right here is the second part. Sorry. Right here is the second part. Console.log new points. So let's see if that's right. Then choose more items. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me see. Yes, it was right. Oh, I'm so sorry I forgot to change the screen. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. And if you like this video, subscribe. I will try to not forget to change my screen next time. I'm still learning how to make these videos, and I hope you like to watch this video, and thank you. Bye.